Hello everyone, this is an update video from yesterday when I failed to install an Eclipse IDE, and today, after hours and hours of troubleshooting, I finally installed. And let's have a look what it has done. It has fetched millions and millions of files, as you can see, from a random mirror. And as you can see, if I can focus, yeah, and as you can see, I installed for C++. Let's have a look. As you can see, we need to configure it first. In order to use it, we need to set up a workspace and all that. I'll minimize it and I'll close it. Finally, as you can see, the launcher is still missing, but nevertheless I'll create it manually and add it there. At least now I'm finally able to run an IDE on Linux. Finally.